Smart Devil Quick Installation Screen Protector. Comes with an easy to follow manual. First one comes installation ready for you. After you wipe, take the dust off, then you're ready for installation. Put it over your phone, snap it, hold, and pull, and watch it work. Take the case off. Check it out. No bubbles. I hit it with a metal mallet over and over, and it did not crack. To change your screen protector, open your packet and you have 2 more ready to install screen protectors. If you would like to order any of these screen protectors, the link will be down below. You can get Smart Devil Anti-Spy as well. Get it now, 25% off. Thank you for watching.